Here's a Southeastern Javelin bound for Folkestone Central. This is also another episode of Trains Out here at London St Pancras on High Speed 1 and the Midland Main Line. You're being seen services by Southeastern High Speed, Eurostar and East Midlands trains. So apart from 395-022, let's see what else shall turn up here at London St Pancras. We've got a Eurostar turning up. With 373-223. She is very long. Three 223 and 224. It is very hot and sticky here today at St Pancras, let me tell you. Okay, over there is a Javelin coming in to terminate from what I believe Margate. It's 395-012. There's also another HST pulling in. That'll be a different clip. We have a HST pulling in. There's that Meridian coupled. It's 43-055. Terminating, I believe it's coming in off Nottingham. The Sheffield Star. Pretty sure there's a Corby train down there. Don't really know. Of 60s on the rear. There goes your 1612 to Margate. 395-027. So I remember looking at the departure boards, that was the next one. To Margate.
I think this HST is going to give a time.
You say that so concerned. Sorry about that late start, but 43-058 there, clagging like hell on its way on the 1615 to Nottingham. Jesus Christ. Never have I seen so much clag. Also, there's hardly anyone on that train. TCB Miller's on the rear. 43-048. Bound for Nottingham. There's a Meridian coming in. Is either any?
Over there.
It's what?
Way over there. Are you joking? Yeah, that's not. That could be a mouse off the big block. Oh no.
I think we just got denied. Anyway, this is either the Crookerwood Depot ECS or one from Corby. And it will be the ECS, 222-009. Coming in, not in service. Wood depot. We have a Javelin about to pull in. Which is 395008, which I'm guessing will be going to Faversham or Ramsgate. And that's that one. Now we head to the Thameslink platforms. Anyway, here's your 1832 to Bedford. 1832? 1632 to Bedford. 377517. And an old southern one up the rear, 377208. Ooh, the breeze is nice. The breeze is nice. The breeze is nice as that heads to Bedford. Next in, your 18, no, I keep wanting to say 18, but it's 16. Your 1634 to Sutton via Wimbledon. It is a 319, might be a pair, 319432, and 319427. I'm actually doing the Thameslink side when there aren't severe delays. That's a change to Bedford, as that comes in from, heading to Sutton. Just about to head off will be the 1636 Thameslink service to Bedford, 377209. And what we were pointing out here, there seems to be more traffic down here than there is up in the main blooming building. 377209 will lead the train off. The 377511 bound for Bedford. Here's 319439, and you're probably wondering why is there more Thameslink trains than any other trains. It's because the other trains at the top there were being less than cooperative, 319439. So that's why we've come down here. I'm a bit mad that the upper level didn't produce the content that I wanted to. But anyway, 319439 and 339, 430 for Luton. Next in, your other 1640 service, this time for Beckingham Junction from Bedford. That is not a 700 light. And it's packed. The platform is packed here at St Pancras. 1640. That announcer sounds too happy. Make him depressed. No, I'm joking. 377215. And 377501. Yeah, that's full. That is very full. Make it less full, please, Thameslink. Do your job. This should be a 700. Please be a 700. It might not be a 700, but then again it might be.
This is Formula 12 coach with first class in the very front carriage.
Yep, 700.
The rear of this service has been declassified. Once again, this is a 12 coach service. First class is in the front of this service.
114.
The rear of this train is declassified.
Yes. $700 104 to Brighton. Brighton.
Once again, the train currently arriving on platform A is the 1646 Brighton
Brighton
service, calling all stations to Brighton via Gatwick Airport.
This is 700 110 for Bedford. And as she departs, I'm going to leave my St Pancras video there. Thank you all very much for watching another episode. It is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you've seen here today, please like and subscribe. If you want me to come back during St Pancras' busy period another day, then please, again, like and subscribe and comment. My next and final station of the day will be London King's Cross. So from me and the guys here at St Pancras, it's goodbye. And also from 700 110, it is also goodbye. If he departs for Bedford. No!